Vastu for nameplate has two important elements. First is the spelling of the name that is to be put on the plate, because according to our research based name numerology system, the alphabets present in your name have a big impact on your performance, on your health, on the results you get in your life. So your name spelling has to be perfected according to the name numerology system. Number two is the direction in which that plate is to be put, and in general it is to be put on the main door only. You cannot put it on the bathroom door. So it is more important that you should select a house that is facing the ideal direction according to your numbers. It is facing the lucky direction. That house you need to select first of all, and then you need to put the number plate on the main door. Yes, if it is put on the southern part, then you need to avoid shades of black and blue, and silver also you need to avoid. And if it is put in the northern side, then you need to avoid shades of red. So these are the two important considerations you should keep in mind while putting a nameplate according to Vastu.